This Negi Confit with whole grain mustard vinaigrette and a poached egg is an updated twist on the French classic poached leeks with sauce gribiche. In place of traditional leeks, I'm using its Japanese cousin, this succulent and fragrant negi, which has a garlic-like aroma and sweet earthy flavor. First, season the negi with salt and pepper. In a pot, combine the oil, wine, thyme, and bay leaf and bring to a low simmer. Add the negi to the pot and top with a piece of parchment and a lid. Reduce the heat to low. Cook the negi for about 20 minutes until they have a tender, almost creamy interior. Drain the negi and allow them to cool. Remove the base and cut the negi in half. Now we'll make the vinaigrette. Combine the vinegar, shallots, and mustard in a bowl and whisk in the olive oil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. To serve, add a handful of arugula to each plate. Place the poached negi on top of the arugula in a line and drizzle with the vinaigrette. Top with a poached egg. Drizzle the egg with a little vinaigrette and sprinkle with chives, microgreens, and chive blossoms. This Negi Confit with whole grain mustard vinaigrette and a poached egg makes for a fabulous brunch or salad menu item that everyone will love.